doing?
You're good.
We're doing now? Okay. Dude, what's going on YouTube? Alright. So I'm trying the meat and wheat for the last time. I swear to God, like, I'm gonna die breathless. But anyway, we're gonna try some of this Tennessee chicken at this local place. It's Hattie Bees. So anyway, this right here.
Hattie, like a hat.
Hattie Bees?
Yeah, like a hat.
Like a hat, okay. Hattie Bees. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try this chicken because he's telling me that I'm gonna die. So hopefully I'm going to be dead after this video and I'll be immortalized in memes or something, or whatever. Anyway, so let's see if this is legit. This is mild or southern, which is normal. And yes, I did stop eating wheat when it's gluten because of South Park. Don't blame me for wasting your life on my vlog. It's not that interesting.
How is it? What is that one? Is that the?
This is not because of spice. This was good. Buttermilk.
Is it the mild?
No. This is the southern.
Southern.
Right?
Ah, okay.
So this has no spice. This is a normal buttermilk batter. It tasted like that, a little sweeter. This doesn't have some spice to it, surprisingly enough. I would say it's peppery with a little bit of cayenne. So I'm guessing it's just pepper, black pepper and cayenne. If I were to guess. Very good. This is medium. It's tangier. Definitely tangier.
Little spicier. Little kick to it.
Okay. Alright. I'm gonna chop this down with a little bit of cider or juice. Let's hope that YouTube doesn't demonetize me.
How big of a bite are you taking of these? You know.
I'm going small for the milder stuff.
Smaller. Yeah, take a little bigger bite. Get a little spicy.
Yeah. Never mind.
All right, a little daring. Let's go.
All right. We're getting bored here. All right. Now this is supposed to be really spicy. I'm gonna get the dark end.
So yeah. Okay, that's a. If anyone wants a little foreshadowing to the next events.
No. It's definitely more. I want to say a little bit of ghost pepper, a little bit of cayenne, black pepper, definitely spicier. Not killing me yet. You know, it's definitely good. Looking really good. I'm glad this was my last meal. Okay. All right. So this is like the darkest part right here. See this right here?
Yeah.
This is the darkest part.
The texture.
So we're gonna go big or go home.
Let that simmer for a little bit. Give it. See how long you can go without the drink for a little. How is it? How's it feel? How's it feel?
It's spicy. It's definitely hotter.
It's definitely hotter. Really?
I definitely feel a burn. Kind of a bastard for not letting me drink this beer.
No, you can drink whatever you want, man. You can drink it.
No.
You can drink.
We're these rules.
All right.
Okay, so it's a little spicy.
A little spicy.
It's doable. We can do this. No big deal. Feeling some of this toast. I'm kind of craving it. Okay. We're gonna do it.
Dude, cleanse your palate before that one, man. Take a sip. You gotta make you level out the playing field. Yeah.
That beer, my juice went very, very well. Okay. I'm trying to think what this is now. It's a lot of spice. I don't even know. What's happening.
There's recipes online somewhere for it.
That's pretty hot. That's actually kind of hot.
Look how dark this one is compared to the other
look
one.
how dark
All right,
this
so that one.
I'm not gonna be able to taste anything.
All right, yeah, show the one you had before, the spice.
It should
There's
burn.
the other one. This one is pretty dark.
Pretty
That
dark.
one's next level though. Like,
Yeah, this is gonna suck.
that's ridiculous.
Look at my eyes.
Hey, you're crying a little, man. It's good.
Oh my god.
I didn't even have the hardest one
for the first
yet.
time. Okay. Oh, it's hot. Why?
Why? Has science gone too far, Sean?
Why has it gone too far? That's a taste. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like, oh yeah. That's hot. That's too hot. I got it. Cameraman. Don't make me punish you. Just because you did that. You gotta eat that. Cameraman has eat this because he fucking fucked up.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. I was having fun, now I'm doing it. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That was fantastic. Okay.
It's not bad.
This is not bad. Alright, cut it. We're good.